Hello. In this video, I'm going to cover data structures and algorithms. The video will be split into two parts, the first being all about algorithms and the second being all about data structures. Let's get into it. I'm first going to go over what an algorithm is and types of algorithms. What are algorithms? Algorithms are a set of instructions meant to perform a task. An algorithm must solve a problem. There are a bunch of types of algorithms, but I'm only going to go over a few. The first is the brute force algorithm. Let's say you wanted to figure out a password. You would want to try every combination of passwords. The brute force algorithm would generate every combination of letters and numbers to solve a password. Another type of algorithm is a sorting algorithm. If you were sorting numbers, you would start at index 0, or the first element. You would see if it were larger or smaller than the element after it. If it were larger, then you would compare it to the third element, and so on. If it was smaller, then you would compare the second element to the elements on, and so on. This is not an optimal algorithm, but it is a good beginner algorithm. Now on to data structures. I'm going to go over what a data structure is and some of the most common data structures. First off, what are data structures? Well, data structures are a way of storing data in a computer so that it can be accessed as efficiently as possible. Most common data structures. There are a few most common data structures. The first one that I'm going to go over is a linked list. A linked list is a set of values that are linked to one another. This is a simple version of a data structure. The second data structure that I'm going to go over are hash tables, or as I like to call them, hash maps. A hash map is essentially a way to map keys to values. The third data structure that I'm going to cover are heaps. Heaps are a type of binary tree that compare a parent node to the children of that parent node. Heaps are able to be written out as trees and arrays. The fourth data structure that I'm going to cover are stacks. Stacks are an abstract data type that are a collection of elements. When I say abstract data type, I mean a model for data types. The fifth and final data structure that I'm going to cover are binary search trees. Binary search trees are a way to organize data in a ranked system. They're a way to do a fast lookup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see next. Later.